Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect GA4 to set up SEO channel attribution step by step clearly. Open Google Analytics 4 in your web browser. Log into your account using your credentials. Select the property you want to work with. Navigate to the admin section on the bottom left. In the property column, click on Data Streams. Choose the relevant data stream that tracks your website. Scroll down to the Enhanced Measurements section. Ensure Page Views is enabled for automatic tracking. Next, click on Configure Tag Settings. Select Add New Tag to create a new tag. Choose the tag type, such as Google Analytics GA4 Event. Set the event name to something relevant, like SEO traffic. In the trigger settings, select Page View as the trigger type. Specify conditions to limit when this trigger is activated. For example, set conditions based on the URL path or source. Next, save your new tag configuration. Publish the changes in your tag management system. Head back to Google Analytics 4 to verify data collection. Go to the Reports section in GA4. Under Acquisition, select Traffic Acquisition. Look for your newly defined event to confirm it's tracking correctly. Finally, analyze the performance of the SEO channel in your reports. Make adjustments as necessary based on your findings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.